Hello everyone, welcome to Safety webcast. In this video, we are going to see the steps on how to configure PUA protection in Microsoft Edge using Intune. Potentially unwanted applications are a category of software that can cause a machine to run slowly, display unexpected ads, or at worst, install other software that might be unexpected or unwanted. PUA is not considered as a virus, malware, or other type of threat, but it might perform actions on endpoints that adversely affect endpoint performance or use. By enabling the Intune PUA protection in Microsoft Edge, we can protect against potentially unwanted applications. When we enable PUA protection in Microsoft Edge using Intune, it blocks the downloads of the low reputation apps that might cause unexpected behaviors. It is safe to enable the PUA protection in Edge via Intune if it is not already enabled. First, sign into the Intune portal as a global administrator or an Intune service administrator. We can access Intune portal using the URL https://endpoint.microsoft.com. On homepage, click on Devices. Under Policy, click on Configuration Profiles. Click on Create Profile. On the Create a Profile blade, under Platform, select Windows 10 and later. Select Profile Type as Settings Catalog. The Settings Catalog allows us to choose the Edge PUA settings that we want to configure. Click on Create. On Create Profile window, specify a descriptive name for this new profile. We have given name Test Configure PUA Protection for Microsoft Edge. Optionally, enter the description for this policy. Click on Next. On the Configuration Settings page, select Add Settings. On the Settings Speaker window, type Defender Smart Screen in search box and click on Search. From the result, click on Microsoft Edge Smart Screen Settings category. From the list of settings, we need to select 3 settings to enable PUA protection for Microsoft Edge. First, select the checkbox in front of Configure Microsoft Defender Smart Screen setting. This is the first one. Second, select the checkbox in front of Configure Microsoft Defender Smart Screen to block potentially unwanted apps setting. And third, select the checkbox in front of Prevent bypassing Microsoft Defender Smart Screen prompts for sites setting. Let me select the checkbox. Now, close the settings speaker window. We must enable all the 3 settings to enable PUA protection in Microsoft Edge web browser. Click Next to continue. You may want to include scope tags. This is optional. We will go with default scope tag, which is already selected. Click Next. We will be on Assignments page. Under Included Groups, click on Add Groups and then from the list, choose the groups to target. We have created one test device group named TestWin Client. From the list, select TestWin Client group. Click on Select. Click on Next to continue. On the Review plus Create page, review the settings which we have configured for this profile. When ready, click on Create and wait for the confirmation message. We can see the confirmation message, Policy created successfully. Click on Refresh to see the updated profile list. Our targeted groups will receive this PUA profile settings when the devices next time check in with the Intune service. Configuration part is done. Now let's test the result on client computer. Let's go to our Windows 10 device. We will perform manual sync with Intune to speed up the process. Click on Info, click on Sync and wait for the process to finish. This Windows 10 device is member of our test device group TestWin client. Okay, last sync was completed successfully. To see the results quickly, I'm going to restart this Windows 10 device. After restart, let's again sign into this Windows 10 device. Open Intune sync page. We are going to initiate manual sync one more time. Click on Info. Click on Sync. Okay, last sync was successful. Once the policy is applied to the devices, we can launch the Edge browser and check the current settings. Let's open Microsoft Edge web browser. Click on ellipsis. We can see Manage by your organization message at the end of the menu. Click on Settings. Click on Privacy, Search and Services. Scroll down to locate Security section. Under the Security, we should see the Microsoft Defender Smart Screen and Block Potentially Unwanted Apps are enabled. We can confirm that the Microsoft Defender Smart Screen and Block Potentially Unwanted Apps settings are managed by our organization. This means the policy has been successfully applied on our Windows 10 device. Now, if the user attempts to download a potentially unwanted application on the device, the application will be blocked. The user will see a dialog, "Application has been blocked as a potentially unwanted app by Microsoft Defender Smart Screen." That's all for this video on how to configure PUA protection in Microsoft Edge web browser using Microsoft Intune. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.